G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com. Today I'm here at Printique by Adorama to show you how you can upload and order your digital scrapbook pages. So let's get started. At Printique, you can order a range of sizes of prints. For digital scrapbook pages, we typically want a square print. Here they have a couple of options. I have 10 by 10 or 12 by 12. So let's click Create Your Prints. I'm going to click My Computer and then click Upload Photos. I'm going to use the Control key or the Command key on a Mac to select all the images. We're going to click Proceed to Order Step. I'm going to choose Express Order Mode because I want all of my photos to be the same. I'm going to choose 12 by 12. I'm going to leave the mounting, and I want to use matte photo prints without a border. We'll complete and review. It says everything's perfect because we're getting a square print with a square photograph. We'll just click Continue. And at this point, we can say Add to Cart. And now you can sign in or create an account. And then we'll click Proceed to Checkout. You can also create photo books with Printique. So let's click on Books and Albums and then Hardcover Photo Books. Again, we're going to be choosing a square size. I love 8 by 8, but you can choose from any of these options. You can upload a PDF or create your book online. Let's create our book online. The difference with Adorama Pix and Printique, as it's now known, is that they do lay flat binding. So what you receive is a traditional hardcover photo book with interior pages that are made out of photo paper. So they're more almost like a board book feel, that with two photo prints glued back to back to create the lay flat look. I'm going to choose this option to have full bleed pages because that means that our photos or our digital scrapbook pages will go right to the edge. Now, because we've already uploaded those images, we can click on Printique Galleries and select all, proceed to edit. We can choose to automatically apply the photos. In this case, we'll click yes. And you can see here the cover. We could add a photograph to the cover. And then we can browse through the end papers. And then you can see how it's placed our images in there beautifully already. We can rename our book and then click Order when we're ready to go. It gives us 21 issues with our book because of course we have got so many blank pages, but we'll add it to the cart anyway. Now here's where we choose our paper type. You can add a presentation box or just leave it as is. And we'll click Add to Cart. And you can see that here we have our 3 prints and our photo book. And if you're not sure about papers, you can even order a print sample pack. Printique by Adorama, a very high quality service, and I've been thrilled with the quality of the Adorama Pix book that I bought several years ago. It still looks like brand new. It is a very different feel to getting a magazine style paper book, but the pages look gorgeous if you like that kind of thing. So now it's just a matter of filling out your information, choosing your delivery option and your payment method. Should all be pretty straightforward. I hope this video has helped you work out how you can upload your digital scrapbook pages to Printique and order them as prints or as a photo book. If you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.